Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. We've got some awesome bars, 1.5" no less, 33 wide, 8" rise, around about 7" pullback, because don't forget your yokes are angled. Okay, so you got 33 wide here. I would say no more. Right, we're looking your pullback, I'd say 8" around about 8" pullback. Okay, beautiful quality. These particular bars are say 8" rise, also pullback, beautifully made. As you can see, you can run all your cables through here, and there's your holes to run them out. So awesome quality, absolutely amazing, very cool. As you can see, very well made, massive addition to your bike, look really good. These will fit 82 apart. These are also the old ones as well, and some of your VN15s. If you're interested, give us a bell, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.